So when is the Forex market open? There is plenty of time to trade Forex. As stated earlier, it's a market that is open for longer than it is closed. As most people would be aware, if you were trading stocks, then you would trade these through an exchange, whether that be the New York Stock Exchange or the London Stock Exchange. Forex does not have any central exchange as such. All trading is done through banks or market makers, which are basically the brokers that traders like you or I would use. Forex trading follows the world's time zones and is broken down into 3 major time zones. The first to open is Asia, which also includes New Zealand, the Australian, Singapore and Japan. This is called the Asian session and is usually the quietest of the sessions in regards to trading volume. This is followed by the European session. In the meantime, traders in the Middle East are kicking in and all of the major European centres where eventually London opens. The European session is the main session as it is normally the greatest volume traded. You must remember that London is the financial capital of the world, even though people think it's Wall Street in the US. The last session to open is the US session, and this session can also be very frantic, especially early in the day where there can at times be major news releases that have a big effect on the US dollar itself. So we have the 3 sessions which do overlap each other. There are no set times, just when the banks are open for business in each of the major financial cities and the volume picks up. There are plenty of free online time zone clocks available that refer to each of the different time zone sessions, so it's quite easy to find a session or sessions that fit your lifestyle. You can also find custom indicators that clearly outline the different time zone sessions on your charts. For more amazing free content like this, head over to the Tips to Pips website and create an account and join our community of thousands of traders based in the UK.